As far as off-grid customers go, we have two types of customers. The customers who have traditionally already lived off-grid for a really long time and are looking to upgrade and change and modernize their system. And then we have people who want to get out of the city. Could be for a number of reasons, could be economic reasons, could be the fact that they're now in the bush, they've got animals, they kind of live a quieter life. You hear the animals, you hear birds, you don't hear a lot of trucks. And that's one of the other reasons that people actually go off-grid. We have our off-grid customers. I can definitely say that none of them have actually picked a lower end panel. I believe there are good reasons for all of our customers picking this. A, we're able to communicate the value that the brand brings. We're also able to communicate the performance that they can anticipate over the lifespan of the product or for how long they intend to have it on their properties. And we've also been able to quantify it using numbers to show that it's not just what we express as an opinion, but it is backed by numbers. And that is how we deal with our customers. It is about getting the job done right the first time. If you pick the right size system, the right quality system, which achieves all of your expectations and contributes positively towards reducing your dependence on the grid, I think it is a win for everybody. It's a win in the long run as long as you've picked a high quality product.